three variant u, v and a w. That's why y is equal to e raised to x into x square into log x. I am going very slow. Please so cooperate me. U means e raised to x, v is equal to x square and w is equal to log x. Are you agree? Yes, friend. Okay. Now du upon dx will remain same according to number 2. According to number 2. Principle number 2. dv upon dx it will be 2x according to principle number 1. dw upon dx log x નું વિકલન કેટલું થશે 1 upon x according to that. Now dy upon dx is equal to uv dw upon dx plus uw dv upon dx plus vw du upon dx. You are familiar with this formula. Previously we have calculated some example depend on this rule. Okay, u and v, what is u and v? E raised to x and v is x square. dw upon dx, that is 1 upon plus uw, u means e raised to x and w means log x, dv upon dx, that is 2x plus v means x square and w means log x and du upon dx is e raised to x. Please check it. Please, my dear friend, do you have any doubt? Please check it. Okay. Now, can you cancel anything or add anything? Yes. This is square value and this is x. So, you can write x into e raised to x. These two will be cancelled. Now, 2x into e raised to x log x plus x square into e raised to x log x. Can you take as a common factor anything? Yes, x and e raised to x everywhere. So x into e raised to x, this will be plus 1 plus 2 log x plus x gone outside, so x log x. This is answer. Please note down, my dear friend. Completed, friends? Do fast, please. Do fast little bit. Now may I rub it? Thank you. Now fifth of sum 30. Y is equal to x cube into 3 raised to x into log x. U is equal to x cube, V is equal to 3 raised to x, and W is equal to log x. Du upon dx will be 3x square. dv upon dx is 3 raised to x log e base 3 according to last principle. dw upon dx is 1 upon x. dy upon dx is equal to uv dw upon dx plus uw dv upon dx plus vw du upon dx. uv, u means x cube and v means 3 raised to x. dw upon dx 1 upon x plus uw, u means x cube, w means log x. dv upon dx, what is dv upon dx? 3 raised to x log e base 3 plus vw, v means 3 raised to x and w means log x. du upon dx, it will be 3x square. Yes, friend. Can you cancel anything? X and x cube. Therefore, 3 raised to x into x square plus x cube into log x into 3 raised to x log e base 3 plus 3 raised to x into log x 3 into x square. Please check it. Is it okay? Please check it. Getting same? Okay, very good. Now taking these two as a common factor, x square 3 raised to x 1 x into log x into log e base 3 plus gone outside and x square, both the terms. Okay, so 3 log x, this is log x. Okay friends, this will be your answer. These two terms gone outside, log x, right. Next sum. Please note down. Completed? Thank you. Now, first sum of 31. E raised to x log x cube. There is a two rules of logarithm. As we know, log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Similarly, log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. And third one, log e raised to x, then or log m raised to n is equal to n log m. These three are very important theorem of logarithm. Here you are given log x raised to 3. So you have to apply theorem number 3. According to this, it will be written like 3 log x. Any doubt? No. Now this is u and this is v. U is equal to e raised to x, v is equal to 3 log x. So du upon dx is equal to, it will remain same, e raised to x, and dv upon dx is equal to 3 1 upon x is equal to 3 upon x, right? dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. U, what is u? E raised to x, dv upon dx 3 upon x plus v, what is v? 3 log x, and du upon dx e raised to x. Can you take anything as a common factor? Yes. Can you take anything? 3 and e raised to x both. So 3 e raised to x, then 1 upon x plus log x. Are you getting same answer? Next, sum number 2nd of 31st. Y is equal to log into bracket e raised to x raised to n into 3 raised to x. Yes, friend. Now, according to first principle of logarithm, y is equal to log e raised to x plus log x raised to n plus log 3 raised to x. Please check it. Are you sure? Okay. Now we have value of log e raised to x. It means we have derivative value of log e raised to x, and that is 1. So don't change it. Now can you apply rule number 3 for both the terms? Then you write